date one. I feel good.
And what else did you get?
That's about it.
Mickey, what did you get for Christmas?
A bike.
You got a bike?
Yeah.
Are you about ready to open up your other presents?
Yeah.
Okay, gotta wait for Grammy to get back in, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Where's my Brianna? Hey, Brianna. Such a big baby girl.
Hey, sweetie.
What you got for Christmas?
I got nothing.
No, her.
Oh, she got a little sound maker thingy and a baby. And
She's like, Mommy, what is that big black thing on your face?
can you give Mommy a big smile? Huh?
What a ham you are. Brianna, come here.
Where's the one?
Okay, Grammy, what did you get for Christmas?
Hey, there's my little girl.
Oh, wow.
There's my little girl.
Wow.
What'd you get for Christmas, Grammy?
I got a nice paint set. Thank you very much.
This is from Aunt Kiki.
I
You
can
gotta.
show her how to open it.
Oh, she can do it. Here you go. Open it up.
Close for Mickey.
Yeah. No, Mick.
I need to see too.
Oh, she hurt.
There
There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
She knows how?
Open it up.
Yeah. Come on. Keep going. Mickey, let her do it. Go ahead.
That's from Aunt Kiki.
What the heck?
Open it.
Come on, Brianna. Here. Get it open. There you go. Yeah. Here, come over here.
Come on, open it up. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no. Oh, man.
Come on. Come here.
No, can't play with the camcorder.
Come here. Here.
It's for the baby, Brianna.
Here. Here. Open it up. There we go. Come on. What's in there?
Baby.
Go ahead. Get it.
Pull it out.
Baby. Oh.
Baby girl.
Mickey.
Mickey, let her see it first.
Yeah.
No, no. I want to open mine. I don't. I can reach it,
Give her sugars.
but I need a. How about
Give her sugars, Brianna. Mwah, mwah.
Don't pick me up.
Oh, good suckers.
I know how to open presents.
Hold on a minute. Mama's finished watching Brianna. We want to get you on tape too, Mickey.
Huh?
We want to get you on tape too.
I took
Baby.
my tape.
Okay, it's Mickey's turn. Okay, you gonna open that one, Mickey?
Yeah.
Okay. That's from Mommy, right? And Grammy, right? Baby girl.
Yeah. You need your diaper changed, don't you?
Oh, it's a sword thing. It's a sword thing.
Get it out of its box.
Yeah.
Now, I need some help for this box.
Show him how to stretch it, Mom. Stretch Armstrong. Pretty.
Oh, that's his sword thing.
Yeah.
That's how he holds it.
You close your eyes.
How he holds it.
You got hair, just like
heavy
Brianna.
rascal. He's got the mask on.
Yeah.
Grab hold of his hand.
Yeah.
Hold on tight.
Yeah.
Hold on tight. Ooh, ooh,
See, you can stretch his arms and legs.
Ugh.
and make him big. So you can make him bigger than he is.
He's bigger.
Here, give me his arm. Here, you hold that one.
Real tight. Hold it tight, Mickey. Let's not break him.
Let go. Woo! Hey!
Have it.
Takes a lot to break them. That's pretty annoying.
Why?
Armstrong.
Oh no, I had fun with mine. Me and Roger used to tie each other up with it and everything.
Yeah, and then you cut them open to see what was in him.
Yeah, I
That
know.
was the end of that. Something that wouldn't surprise me if Mickey did either. Here.
Hey, you're allowed each other.
Yeah. Mouth. Uh-huh.
Okay. What is it?
Silly brother.
I don't know.
Use your imagination on that one, Mickey. Open Kiki's present now.
I will. I will. Because you don't want to.
Don't want to.
Oh.
What's she doing?
She gets this doll, she goes, oh. And I said, is that good? And she goes,
Mmm, yummy.
good?
I know how to open it.
You don't want to break it.
So let's have a bite.
Nummy.
Oh, wait a minute.
Hair. Oh no, that hurt me.
Scotch tape